You are getting closer and closer to meeting your baby. You are feeling excited and ready. Your body has brought you and your baby this far and will continue doing what it is built for, which is birthing your baby. Just as you know to follow your body's lead for when to eat, when to use the bathroom, and when to sleep, you will follow your body's lead to know when to push your baby out. With your mind calm, excited, and centered on birthing your baby, you will use it to guide your breath to gently and effectively push your baby down and out. There is no need to hold your breath and push aggressively. You are birthing your baby peacefully and calmly, utilizing the power of your breath. Do what feels right for your body and baby. Let's practice together, breathing your baby down and out. Once you feel your surge growing, you will breathe in a quick, big breath of oxygen. This quick breath in will energize and fuel your hard-working uterus. As your body naturally begins to push on its own, you release your air purposefully, sending the air down to your baby to gently and actively guide them through the birth canal. The energy of your breath moving downward toward your baby and vagina may create a mooing sound. This is the perfect way to breathe your baby out. If you are not mooing, that is perfectly fine as well. As you exhale, very little air is escaping from your mouth as you are sending it down to your uterus, to your baby, and through your birth canal. With each down breath, you can feel your abdominal muscles tightening from the top of your ribs to the bottom of your vagina. This is your body pushing your baby out. Use your breath to assist your body to do this incredible task of birthing your baby. Imagine you are squeezing your belly as you would a bag of icing while icing a cake. Start from the top and tighten your muscles down, 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 as you are sending your breath downward as well. As you come to the end of your exhale and push, take another quick and revitalizing breath in to fill your lungs and energize your muscles, and push the exhale down as you feel the urge to push. You are listening to your body. You are in tune with your baby. You are breathing when you need to. There is no right or wrong way to give birth to your baby. You are doing what feels best for you. When the time is right and you feel your body pushing your baby out, connect to your breath and try this. Breathe in, breathe down. Breathe in, breathe down. Breathe in, breathe down. After the surge has passed, take a deep breath for yourself. Breathe in and release. You are strong, you are capable, you are in control. Then take a deep breath for your baby. Breathe in and release. Your baby is safe, capable, and ready to be born. Between the waves of the powerful sensations, your body and mind are fully at rest. Be still in this moment. Trust, relax, allow. You are in no rush. Your body and your baby set the pace. You are surrounded by people who love, respect, and support you. You are doing an incredible job. No one could be doing better than you at birthing your baby. As the surge comes on, you remember to breathe in deeply and energetically, and then work in harmony with your body as you send that energy-filled breath down, down, down. As you push, your forehead is relaxed, not furrowed. Your jaw is loose, not clenched. And your uterus is the only muscle hard at work. Your neck muscles are loose, and your arms and legs are supportive but not strained. Soft lips, soft bits. Your jaw mirrors your vagina. An open and relaxed jaw means an open and relaxed vagina. You are listening to your body and finding the positions that are most comfortable for you to birth your baby in. Your pelvis is the perfect size and shape for your baby to effortlessly fit through. You are breathing in whatever way provides your body and baby with oxygen and energy. These are your affirmations. Let them wash over you as you confidently breathe your baby down and out. I am soft. I am open. Each surge brings my baby a little bit closer to being in my arms. I have my loved ones close by in my heart or by my side. I know how to do this. I am fearlessly birthing my baby. My sensations guide me. They tell me when to breathe, when to push, and when to rest. My body was built to birth my baby. One surge at a time will bring my baby to me. I am breathing to my baby. Me and my baby are working together. I know where to focus my energy and how to push effectively. My baby is on their journey from my womb to the world. Birth is a normal and natural process. The oxytocin and endorphins flowing through my body make me feel euphoric. I am so happy to finally have my baby coming to me. When I release and let go, my body softens and opens to let my baby through. Soften, open, come down, down, down. You are birthing confidently, calmly, and wonderfully. This is the climax of your birth story, the moment you have been waiting for. Breathe in, breathe down. Breathe in, breathe down. Breathe in, breathe down. Fix your mind's eye on your baby. They will be in your arms soon.